The best way. Hey, give me a right 1.5.
32 rounds for night shift.
Just relax.
All right, are you gonna be able to mill them left to right?
Yeah. What was that? I'll come right at that. Your first red target.
影響なし。側転、胸中央。9番的やったらヘッドショット。次は。
You're gonna have to dial this one. Be
その右が赤の。
はい、そうです。
あ、了解。で、よいしょ。Alright, load up. Ammo, bang bang.
I don't know that target number, but it was at 9 to 11 flat.
11 flat?
11 flat, yeah. All right.
Or we send another one on that.
Go for another one for it.
Clear.
5 and 6, so we well, do 11 and 12. We're gonna finish ranging.
Yeah, well, I just got the freaking thing back. So.
Be the left side of the road.
Right.
Got it.
The left hand side of the road?
Yeah. Left side of the road? No, the target we're on.
All right, Mir. Dial up to.
Give me a right 0.5.
0.5 and it's 19.5.
Yeah.
I want to hook up the camera after lunch and try to videotape some shots here.
Good hit. So, we watched the round. Yeah, right.
Nice one. A nice shoot set.
Over the left shoulder.
0.5.
Bad?
Doesn't hit shit with that.
右ポ右4分の1。
Dial 43.
Yes.
Yes.
So for that target.
All right.
That's at 10:30.
You're gonna dial for this one, right?
Oh yeah. We can't hold that far. Yeah,
What inspired me to be a sniper? Probably the best job you could have in infantry, in my opinion. I couldn't imagine doing anything else. Every day I'm thankful that I get this opportunity to be in the sniper section and be in charge actually of the sniper section. Inspiration, there's so many great shooters out there that just to even be part of the sniper section is humbling every day. So for the system we have today, we're shooting the M110 SAS, semi-automatic sniper system. It's a semi-auto sniper rifle. It's shooter dependent, goes out to 800 meters accurately. You can shoot farther if you would like. We are actually shooting suppressed today instead of shooting with the suppressor off. Kind of muffles the sound. The glass, the optic is a Leupold Mark IV, tactical mill reticle, so pretty good glass, great weapon system, good for rapid target engagement, and pretty deadly, 7.62 round. So as long as you have good baseline fundamentals, breathing, trigger squeeze, sight picture, steady aim, it's just more refined from there. Some people are born, great shots. Some people can be worked into a better shot. But if you have extremely steady posture, you're patient, you can breathe, and you can take direction well, follow through, sight picture, all of that makes a huge difference. You'll be able to follow your shot, see where you ended up shooting. Compared to some people, your eyes close, you get lost in your scope, you don't really know where you end up shooting. What I love about being a sniper is every day people are pushing for my job. Makes me push a lot harder. I want to be the best soldier I can be. I like knowing that I get to help people. Wherever they're going to end up, they have security on their back. I just like being the best I can be. Working with the Japanese has been great. They bring a different twist to their training. The book, which is really nice, helps push us. Their weapon system, they're using our older weapon system, which is nice to see the bolt action.